Welcome to my YouTube channel, Custom Wig Designer Robin Lewis. I am here today going to show you how I do my wigs. I'm measuring the nape of the wig to make sure it is the right measurement I am desired to have. Then I will continue next with doing placement. I'm going to place from the nape area, working all the way up to the crown. Yes, so as I'm starting right now, make sure that you have your curve or straight needle, whichever one works best for you. You can do that along with your nylon thread. It's much thinner versus the cotton one. The cotton thread is much more thicker and it causes a lot of you get it stuck and knotted. So I like to use the nylon because it's much smoother and it's really thin. So you can see that I'm going through the weft, and make sure that you're doing a like a circle, and then you're going right through. Make sure that the leave out thread is over the needle and thread, and then you pull through and it will come to a close like I'm doing right here. And yeah, I'm make sure that the initial start is secure so I continue working straight to the other side. Make sure any loose threads is out of your way because you don't want to get any tangling with your sewing, because that can happen at times. See, the thread is over how it is, so I'll make sure that it's coming into a knot so I don't have a loose weft. Continue sewing all the way across until you reach to the end of the weft, where you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut off the extended hair that is not being used. I still want you to see how the sewing process is done so you get a closer view of what you're doing. You can go through the weft or you can go around the weft. I prefer to go through the weft because it's a flatter surface you will get once stitching your unit. As you can see, I was having a little difficulty with my stand. It was getting loose, so I had to fix it. Continue sewing. See how flat and smooth that looks? That's exactly what you want to get from your unit. Proceed with this wig making. It took me at least, I started after 10 in the a.m. and I finished after 6:30 p.m. I completed the whole wig that section, so that's normally what I will do. So yes. Going to speed up this section so we can continue to proceed through the recording. And you see that I am being finished. So the rest of the tutorial, you will see me just going from end to end to complete the unit. And until I get to the top, I will sew the closure in place. Right now it's just T-pins holding the closure, and I will be able to continue sewing it to secure it from the wig cap onto the wig cap, excuse me. So this will conclude the video. Hope that you enjoy. Click like and share and leave a comment. Ask any question and I will address each questions as they are received. Hope you all have a blessed day, and I hope to see you next Thursday at 2 p.m. with my next video content on wig making. Have a great day.